Did you know that just a few minutes of meditation a day can actually rewire your brain? Let us explore how meditation changes your brain, and it only takes 2 minutes to start seeing the benefits. The benefit number one is it reduces stress. Meditation helps calm the amygdala, the part of your brain responsible for stress and fear. Over time, this reduces how intensely you react to stressful situations, making you feel more grounded and in control. Benefit number two is to improve focus and memory. Regular meditation strengthens the prefrontal cortex, the brain center for focus, decision making, and memory. Just a few minutes daily can enhance your ability to concentrate and stay present throughout the day. Benefit number three is it boosts emotional health. Meditation increases the activity in the hippocampus, which is linked to emotional regulation and self awareness. This helps you better manage emotions, reduce anxiety, and feel more connected with yourself and others. All it takes is 2 minutes a day to start rewiring your brain for the better. Find a quiet spot, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. Start small and stay consistent. Comment Zen if you are ready to give it a try and share this with someone who could use a mental reset. Don't forget to follow for more quick wellness hacks that improve your mind and body. Your brain will thank you. Stay mindful.